Hey, gorgeous! Are you ready to dive into some unique tips that can instantly boost your attractiveness and confidence? We're skipping the usual makeup tricks and skincare basics and exploring fresh, unexpected habits that can give you that magnetic glow. Let's jump into these life-enhancing, beauty-boosting secrets. Did you know that tiny expressions, like a subtle smile or a gentle nod, can make you seem more approachable and attractive? Practicing these little expressions, especially when listening to someone, shows warmth and genuine interest. It's like a silent magnetism that draws people in. Create a signature style with a unique accessory that makes you memorable. It could be a cute scarf, an interesting ring, or even a splash of color in your shoes. Little touches like this show your personality and leave a lasting impression without any effort. Scents aren't just for others. They can boost your own mood too. Try natural scents like lavender, vanilla, or citrus that make you feel good. Smelling nice is a bonus, but the confidence boost is the real magic. A good mood radiates attractiveness. Rushing can make anyone look anxious or stressed. Practicing slower, deliberate movements, whether walking, talking, or gesturing, projects calmness and elegance. People are naturally drawn to this energy because it radiates confidence and grace. Colors have a surprising effect on how others perceive you. Reds and pinks convey warmth, while blues can make you seem calm and approachable. Pick colors based on the energy you want to give off that day. A splash of red or pink, for instance, has been shown to make you stand out just a bit more. Healthy hair can make a huge difference in your overall look. Keep it clean, brush it gently, and use a little bit of hair oil or serum for shine. Simple styles, like a ponytail, a soft wave, or a sleek bun, can give you that fresh, polished look. Good posture is an instant confidence booster. When you stand up straight, you're not just appearing taller, but also radiating self-assuredness. Next time you're walking into a room or sitting in class, give yourself a quick posture check. It's like wearing an invisible crown. A little ritual, like lighting a candle or sipping tea, can make you feel more centered and calm. Feeling grounded makes you look more attractive because your inner peace shines through. True beauty also comes from within. Practicing active listening, where you genuinely tune into others, makes you more magnetic than any physical feature. And there you have it. Unconventional but powerful habits that can make you feel and look more attractive every day. Remember, true beauty is about how you feel and the energy you put out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in the next video.